Hi, everyone, and welcome to Simple Marketing Academy. This is where small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs come to learn very simple, cost-effective marketing techniques so they can gain more clients, make more sales, increase their revenue, and grow their business. My name is Jill Fox, and I am the co-owner of Fox Social Media. Along with my son, Tanner J. Fox, we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertise, and grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. So happy to have both the Simple Marketing Academy podcast and the Simple Marketing Academy show on YouTube so that we can help all of you as well. So let's get started.
In this video, we're going to be going over how to come up with different content ideas and find what's working and put your own twist on it so your content can go viral. So when it comes to actually finding content, there's a few different ways on all the different social media platforms that you can find what's performing well and things that you can utilize to not copy, but angle your content towards and really cash in on those different trends or things that are performing well. So if you want to do content research, let's start on Instagram. So I'll go through Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Those are kind of the main ways we can find content. So on Instagram, the first way that you can find content that's performing well is by going over to your main Instagram profile here. And then we're going to click on our professional dashboard here. And then from there, we're going to scroll down until we see inspiration. And this is going to show what's popular with your existing followers. So we want content that's going to perform well with our audience, but is also relevant to other similar audiences because that's probably who our content's going to be shown to. So seeing what's popular with your followers, scrolling through here and clicking in, and even seeing what other people have similar content, you can see what's performing well, who they follow, and look into their content and see if you can create something similar or just how they structure content. And it's a great way to get ideas here. And you're also able to see this, whether it be for Reels or if you want to click into audio and see what type of audio is trending, doing well, if you want to utilize that. You can also click into accounts here and see what other accounts are similar to yours or they suggest for you to look at. So really the Reels is probably the best section in here. So that's the main spot on Instagram. Now, if we go over to TikTok, they have something similar as well. So you can go into your TikTok here, and if you go over and go to TikTok Studio here, you're able to then go down and you'll see something that says Creation Inspirations. And this is kind of the same thing. You can see trending content in general, and it'll even let you sort by different topics in here, different categories, or even based off your country. And they also have a recommended tab as well. So once you're posting active content, you'll get different recommendations in here, and you can see we can look at similar posts, ones our followers also viewed, or things they're searching for, or even similar creators as well. Now this account's not active, which is why we don't have much in here, but if you're active, you're going to see that in there as well. So that's one way you can look for content that's doing well. Now, if you're on TikTok and you want to search a certain piece of content and see what's performing well, you can also just go to our homepage here and we can go in and search. So let's just say we're going to look up sports for fun and we're going to click search, and you can choose whatever category you want here or any different keywords you think might be relevant to your niche. And what we can do is we can click into videos over here. And then if we click the three little dots in the top right, we're able to filter and look at what's performing best. We'll say anything posted in the last month and anything, and we're going to sort by like count so we can see what's performing the best. Click apply, and it'll show you all content that's posted in the last month and sort it by what has the most likes so you can see what's performing the best as well. So that's how you can do it on TikTok. Now let's jump onto YouTube and I'll show you how you can do that as well. So when we're on YouTube, we want to go to YouTube Studio. And then the first thing we want to do is click into our analytics here on the side, and you're going to see all your different analytics, but there's a tab called Inspiration up here. And if you click into this, you're able to get ideas for your next video. So you can see what your audience is currently searching for based off your other content. So you can see all these here. I could click show all, and it will show all these different things that people are searching. And then they'll also show videos that are performing well with people that look like your audience. So I could scroll through here and get different content ideas that way as well. So that's the first place you can look on YouTube. Another place you can look in here, again, is under analytics and then audience here. And then when you're in here, we can scroll down and you're able to see if, again, this is one that's not active. If you're active, you're going to be able to see what your audience watches the last 7 days. I haven't been active on this, so it doesn't have any data, but normally you'd see anything here. And you can also see channels your audience watches. And these are great to be able to see what type of content they like, what they're watching, and you can get content ideas this way as well. Now, the final way is to just go to YouTube in general. And when we're here, the easiest way to find more content is to just search a keyword. So again, let's say I'm going to type in football. I'm going to see what comes up. But if I'm looking, let's say maybe I don't want to make this long form content. I want to watch shorts and see what's performing well with shorts. So first thing I'm going to do is click into shorts here. And then I'm going to go over to filter. And I'm going to choose that I want to see everything that was uploaded in the last month. And then I'm going to click filter again, and I want it to show by view count. So what has the most views? And then you're going to see the short section will pop up here. So I would just scroll through these, see what's doing well, and write down some different content ideas. But there's a lot of different ways you can get content ideas in general from all these different platforms. They give you the tools to say, here's what your audience likes, here's what's performing well with them. So if you need content ideas or figuring out how to structure your content better, you can utilize that as well. Need extra help with your marketing or social media? Well, utilize our free marketing resources like our social media blueprint ebook or our 150 social media post ideas. You can grab these free resources in the description below.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at foxsocialmedia.com. On our website, you'll find that we have done for you services through Fox Social Media, where we help businesses, practices, and brands to market, advertising, grow online. And we've been doing this since 2010. This is a done for you service. We also have services for very small business owners, entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs who can't afford done for you services. And this is a very inexpensive program called Simple Marketing Support, where we're there to teach you, support you, and answer your questions. You can find more about all of our services if you go to foxsocialmedia.com. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.